Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn on how to create different color particles from a single particle in Godot. And we are going to use the CPU particle 2D or GPU particle 2D in this video. And let's start. First of all, let me show you my project. So we have got a main scene here, and these two are from the previous tutorial. We don't need it, but I'll just prefer to keeping it. Yeah. And let's add a CPU particle in our main scene. So let me just right click here and add a CPU particle. Let me just search here CPU particle. What? CPU. Okay, so we have got the CPU particle 2D. You can create GPU particle 2D also. It has got similar properties. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just use CPU particle 2D. Let me just hit create, and we have got the CPU particle 2D right now. And if I zoom in here a little bit, you can see the particles falling downwards. Yeah, and this is my viewport. And let me just drag this CPU particle 2D just in the center of my screen right here. If these are distracting, I'll just hide it. We don't need it. Yeah, we just need to see our particle for now. So it's a white colored particle right now. And let's go to the inspector here, and let's emit some more particles, not just 8. I'll just make it 100. Yeah, so the particle has been emitting here. And next let me just we don't need to upload texture. This texture is fine for us. And next for the timing, I don't want any kind of timing. No. And explosiveness, yeah, let's make it 0.9. we are going to make it explosive, or 10. Great. And randomness, I'll just put it 0.3. yeah. And first of all, let me make it a little bit bigger, the size of the particle. We cannot see by zooming out. Yeah, so let me go to here. Where is it? The scale property, and here I'm going to give it 5. Okay, now we can see our particle a little bit more clearly. Yeah, they are bigger in shape. And next let me go back again here. So I made the explosiveness to 1 and randomness to 3, and that's it. And next in the drawing, do we have to do nothing? And in the emission, the point shape is good. Particle flag, we don't need to do anything. Direction, let me just give it a 0 by 0 direction, no direction. And for the spread, I would like to make it 180 degree. Yeah, so it will spread all over the screen in all direction. And next, the gravity, I don't want to set the gravity. I will just make it 0. So no gravity here for our particle. Next, let's set the initial velocity. The minimum initial velocity, how much? 100. Okay, 100 pixels per second. Look. And the maximum initial velocity, let me just make it to 500 pixels per second. And looks like explosive. A little bit higher. Let me make it 350. Okay, good. And angular velocity, no need. Of orbital velocity, linear. Damping angle, scale, no need. Okay, it looks good. The particle looks good. Now let's give the color. So to give our color different color, let's go to the color tab here. And in here we can set, if we want to set a specific color, we can set from here. Yeah, but we want different colors. Yeah, so let me reset it. To set the different colors, here is something called the color initial lamp. Let's just click in this empty, and let's give it a gradient. Okay, and now it is black and white colors. Yeah, so let's click here, and we have here the black color, here the white color. So let me give it another color for now. Yeah, green would be okay. So this is the green color, and this one's the white. And in the middle, if you want to put other colors, you can just double click here, and let's place the blue color, where is it? Okay, blue color. And if you want to press orange color, double click and go to the orange color here. So orange color, let me give it a red color too, and let me give it another color. Which one? Yellow color as well. And the last one, which color we want? Pink. Yeah, pink would be nice. So look, so we have got different colored particles, guys. Yeah, and that's how we make different colored particles, by giving the initial color. And you can just play with these interpolation values also, mode, constant, or cubic, whatever you want. I would like to put in constant. Yeah. And next, if you want to make the color go from one color to another color, you can use the color ramp property here also. So it's very hard to make it visually stunning, but if you want to play it with, you can use this one also. So it will start from these colors and it will go to these colors. This one's the final color. So if I give it a green, yeah, like this, double click, another color, another color, another color, like this. So it starts from the initial color and it goes back to this color, these colors. I don't like this color right now, so I will just reset it. I like this way. Yeah, just different colors, but it will just remain the same, like this. Yeah, and if I just play, and this is how we see. Yeah, so this is how we make a different colored particles from a single colored particles. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and thank you guys.